Chief Minister Biren reiterates his government commitment to achieve development in the state. Health Minister Jayant Kumar urges nurses to serve the patients with dedication and sacrifice. BJP Manipur Pradesh will observe Kaladhan Virodhi Divas from November 6 to 9 in all constituencies. And India win Women's Asia Cup hockey title, qualify for 2018 World Cup. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today asserted that his government strived for development in the state. He was speaking at the inauguration of Reverend Father N.V. Jo's Memorial Multipurpose Auditorium at Don Bosco College, Maram. Biren reiterated that the government plans to introduce welfare schemes for the poor and the needy to achieve inclusive development. He maintained that the primary objective of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is to improve the life of the most deprived and downtrodden. He also said education is a means to end violence and it is necessary to impart good and quality education to students to root out corruption in the state. He lauded the contribution of Don Bosco in education sector in the state. He announced rupees 1.5 crore grant and aid under RUSA scheme for Don Bosco College, Maram. Rupees 25 lakhs have already been given to the college and another 50 lakhs will be sanctioned by the end of the next year. Biren said rupees 10 crore have been allocated for construction of various office buildings in the hills. College of Nursing Lamphilpat today held its foundation day and the oath-taking ceremony of the 6th batch nursing students of the college. Speaking at the celebration, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayant Kumar appealed to the doctors and nurses to follow their professional ethics. He also urged the nurses to serve the patients with dedication and sacrifice. He said, people will understand and appreciate the value of nursing profession when they serve the patients with love and compassion. Jayant Kumar further said the government is working towards development of the health facility in the state and that there is a plan to start MSc nursing course in the state. JNIM's director Dr. T.H. Bimo said the healthcare system in the state can be improved when the quality of nursing is also improved. He said the nurses have a huge responsibility in reducing the rate of people with AIDS and hepatitis by 95%. Principal of College of Nursing M. Kunudini administered the oath to the students of 2017 to 18 batch. Director of Ayush Manipur, Dr. A. Guneshwar Sarma, Additional Director of Health Service Manipur, Dr. P. Shamsundar, students and staff of the college attended the event.
Console to the comment on hinging the Makil Wangan again. Nahise, Kumadukanam tree. No, see, let the Yawi. She let the Yauti. She leaves the cover to the right the Yauti. Kain hair. It is your conscience that speaks. Prudent made namana, reasonable made namana, come out of a life to society that act of the gaze. Machine ports in it. Achang money in the hingy money, according to the quite important of the Hingma in Changbai. Hingba who changed to my identity, Makin Campus, which can have taken nurse come, Doctor Campus. Oh, I do the Kamar nurse Campuna, a quick social loud of it. Young seen a chief Wangam with the Tabadan Hyper, Hingat of Hegman by it.
Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen asserted that women play a pivotal role in all spheres of life. She was addressing the evening session of the 6th Northeast India Choral Competition held at Thiagaraj Stadium in New Delhi yesterday. The minister lauded the participants, especially women who participated in the competition. Nemcha Kipgen observed that women singers are on an equal footing to men. She also hoped that such competition will not only bring talented singers together but will strengthen oneness among ethnic groups. The 6th Northeast India Choral Competition was organized by Thankul Christian Charitable Trust, New Delhi. Imphal East Police conducted cordon and search operation at KR Len and Golapati ahead of the Sangai festival today. The team led by OC Commando B. Lungthan Baipai under the supervision of SP Imphal East, Kabir K, conducted the operation. Several persons including women were verified during the operation which commenced at 6:30 this morning. 5 persons without identification documents were taken to Porompat Police Station for further verification. Moreh police arrested a self-styled corporal of KYKL this morning. The arrested person is identified as Hirom Naubi alias Arun, age 30, son of Pacha from Awang Sekmai Market. The team arrested Naubi when he was heading towards Sunrise Ground at Moreh Ward number 4 from Myanmar side. He joined KYKL in 2008 and a case has been registered against him. Imphal East Police caught a man and a woman with SP and World is Yours tablets. Those arrested have been identified as Mohammad Jaya Khan, age 28 years, son of Alimuddin from Yaripok Tulihal, now staying at Hatamana in Khol, and Naiza Begum, age 36 years, wife of late Mohammad Aku from Kaibung Sanasabi Leirak Thobal. All India Student Federation AISF Manipur State Council urged the government of Manipur to look into non-recognized private schools within 5 days. Speaking to media persons at AISF office on the BT Road, State Secretary of the Federation Kundrakpam Rameshwar alleged that despite the Federation's demand to ban non-recognized private schools in the state, the government remained indifferent. He said volunteers of the Federation inspected the private schools yesterday and found that Bal Vikas Kendra and LM educational institutions at Top Khongnang Khong and Eastern Point Academy, Khetri Bengal, are recognized and attached to government schools. Rameshwar further said AISF will continue their drive against the non-recognized schools.
Recognize tawdaba private school sing akoi thonglon naba akoi ASM na sem sare loinana masi ATS piramba sarkar gi mahi loisang sing akan mami ing changani loinana hairiba school sing asi lenga na numit mangani gi manungda mi ing changdaba taragadi ASM na lebak miyang loinana hairiba school sing asida akan mami ing changani.
A two-day national conference cum alumni May 2017 organized by Manipur University Alumni Association on the theme Emerging Issues of Quality Education in Manipur began yesterday at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University. In his speech, MU Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey said schools, colleges and universities play a significant role in the reformation of the society. He said Alumni Association also has equal responsibility in the society. Professor Pandey maintained that education is the backbone of every nation and it helps develop the personality of the people. The 12-hour statewide general strike called by Maoist Communist Party Manipur against Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham affected life in different parts of the state. Major markets in Imphal, including Khwaranban Bazaar, were a deserted look. Shops and business establishments remained shut and few vehicles were seen on the roads. Yangon Pokpi Bazaar under Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East, also wore a deserted look as a result of the general strike. The strike was called from 5 this morning till 5 in the evening. People of Lilong Chingkham Makha staged a sit-in against a firing at the house of Adaksha of Thawal Jila Parishad by unknown miscreants last night. The protest was organized by Rural Areas United Club Organization Lilong at Lilong Chingkham Makha Ubak Thong today. Speaking to media persons, Adaksha of the Jila Parishad, Hasina Begum, said the miscreants fired 3 rounds at the rear side of her house. She appealed for clarification from those involved and urged the authority concerned to find out those involved in the act. Ningol Chakoba was celebrated today at an event organized by Lining Thok Sanamahi Sanapung at Wangkai Panthoibi Lampak. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba criticized the emphasis being given to the Ningol Chakoba gifts, ignoring the significance of this festival, which celebrates the bond between sisters and brothers. He urged the people to celebrate the festival in the right spirit.
Hojik chathariba Ningol Chakobagi mawong asidi matam khagi matungdani mase amuna pudong thirakini lamdam asidi semelo to soba mangjaba lakani aduna hojik tagi hauna ekoi Ningol obisingasu mabung opa obisingasu ekoi Ningol Chakoba se chamna ekoi mabung opa do silikula do sagata adai bakara saminaga aduga angam mo kudon porpiraga mandul pe thong nabagi adu Ningol Chakoba ma ekoi thuna Ningol Chakoba se yamna akiba kumhayama oy haninganite hojik chathariba Ningol Chakobagi mawong.
Network for Positive People in Imphal West organized a Ningol Chakoba for women with HIV, widows and their children today under the aegis of District AIDS Prevention Control Unit in Imphal West. They invited the women at the event held at the residence of Project Coordinator of Vivan CSC Imphal West, Loitongbam Janaranjan at Singjamai Oinam Thingal, and presented gifts to the women. Manipuri Youth Front Assam organized the 3rd Ningol Chakoba Festival sponsored by Manipur Chronicle at Children Park, Silchar in Kasar District, Assam today. Speaking at the event, Chief Convener of the Manipur Youth Front Assam, Seram Herajit, said the celebration aimed at bringing integrity, peace and harmony among various communities living in the area. He also said Manipuris living outside the state continue to follow their culture and tradition. Gifts were also presented to the women present at the celebration. It's time for a small commercial break. BJP will organize Kaladhan Virodhi Divas anti-black money observation on November 8 across the country. We bring you the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. BJP will organize Kaladhan Virodhi Divas anti-black money observation on November 8 across the country. BJP Manipur Pradesh will also join the nation in celebrating Kaladhan Virodhi Divas from the 6th to 9th of this month in all constituency. Speaking to media persons at BJP Manipur Pradesh office at Nithai Park Chutek, General Secretary Administration of the party K. Sarat Kumar said, preparation for celebration of Dhan Virodhi Divas anti-black money in all 60 constituency has as demonetization completes 1 year are met as instructed by the center. He said as part of the observance, a youth conference will be held chaired by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at Kundrakpam on November 6. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and President BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Vivananda will hold a press meet at the party office and will speak on black money, demonetization and GST on November 8. On the last day of the observance, the Chief Minister will flag off a rally from the BJP office. It may be mentioned that demonetization was a move that began on November 8 last year to free India of black money. Meanwhile, opposition parties including the Congress will observe the day as the Black Day.
Corruption ki mayokta amadi black money ki mayokta koina sanghin ga thoriba mit asida miyam hupna mandal dagi amadi district sing dagi lakpa miyam na rally ma chacha ga thoriba sina hairiba tang taruk takin ma pon phogi pangthok ga thoriba program sigi aroi ba saruk hoji ga dabani nungge bo han tokti akhoi gi black money matau karam na thingade na Narendra Modi ki sarkar na demonetize taugiba aduna maram ga black money gi maram da koina thingma ngamakpa adu sunatana sector punamakta GST ki maram da aduga financially ekoi da India ki praja sing da pire iba kan ba sing da adu ki maram da koi khang praja miyam da khangana bi da mukta hoji program sinjab.
The 25th State Level National Children's Science Congress 2017 held at Sacred Heart School, Yarikpok from November 3rd concluded today. The Science Congress on the theme Science, Technology and Innovation for Sustainable Development with special emphasis on accessibility for persons with disability was sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and co-sponsored by Government of Manipur. TSI All Care City Dental Clinic, Kakching and Social Development Organization, Palel, jointly held a free dental checkup, come free sugar and blood pressure checkup camp at Palel. Dr. Ranibal Yengkom said the camp aimed at creating awareness about dental care among the people. She also appealed to people to have dental checkup regularly. Omega Diagnostic Center, Uripok, provided free sugar test and blood pressure checkup at the camp. Persons belonging to BPL families were also given free liver function test, kidney function test, lipid profile, iron deficiency, thyroid function test. Social Development Youth Club More celebrated its Silver Jubilee today at More Khodong Lairenbi Community Hall. The people of the area and the representatives of various organizations took part in the celebration, which was highlighted by cultural dances and songs. A calendar for the year 2018 published by the All Manipur Muslim Welfare Clubs organization was released today at the function held at Manipur Press Club. Now the sports news. The Indian women's hockey team edged out China in the final of the Asia Cup 2017 to clinch the gold medal after 13 long years at Kakamigaraha in Japan today. India Eves beat China by 5-4 in the final of 2017 Women's Asia Cup via penalty shootout to emulate their male counterparts and complete a rare double in the continental competitions. In a kegi final encounter at the Gifu Hockey Stadium, both the sides failed to score in the first quarter, but in the 25th minute, Navjot Kaur gave India the all-important lead with a brilliant field goal. Playing in their fourth Asia Cup final, India did well to keep tournament's leading scorer Jong Jiaki quiet, but Xian Lu converted a late penalty corner in the 47th minute. After 60 minutes of play, the scoreline remained 1-1 to force a penalty shootout, with India winning the match by 5-4 and lifting the title after a gap of 13 years. India booked a ticket to FIH World Cup in 2018 with victory. India last won the title in 2004 when they beat China by 1-0 in Delhi. India also took revenge of their 2009 defeat to China in the summit class. Lily Chanu Paungnam, who bagged a silver medal in the women's compound team event of World Archery Championship Mexico, was accorded a warm welcome on her arrival at the Imphal International Airport today. Members of Soya Lerak Youth Committee, Sagolban Soyam Lerak, and people garlanded Lily. Lily Chanu, Trisha Dev, and Jyoti Surekha of women's compound team India were defeated by Colombian team in the finals. The silver medal in the women's compound team event is the first silver medal in the event in the history of Indian archery.
Proud oina power ke you know the compound women gi akoi India gi oina aham bo oina lawo phangjarai ne individual so ai phanam phajana capture habadi Sara Lopez aina world gi rank 1 nupi ma kanam tana beat tongam da ne ina beat tawe do next day aina live thi da khidang thi gre adu da po howe hoji ai gi main aim the Asian game ne preparation horani January di aina Asian game selection phanga di ai soidana medal lo ni haine thaje team gi di moi ga khoi ga yengna ba khoi di si aham bani ha moi di chahi kuding adom final match hana lere akhoi da khidang ado aham mo mina khidang thagat pa khot pa khidang nervous le hai tare mathang dari improve la kani ne thaje.
Vovinam Association of Manipur felicitated Vovinam players who represented India at the 5th World Vovinam Championship at the Conference Hall of Manipur Olympic Association Kumbal Lampak Sports Complex today. Speaking at the felicitation, Director of Youth Affairs and Sports N. Praveen said, integration of sports and education is important not just for competition but to ensure a healthy society. Center in charge is SAI SAG, Center Imphal Dronacharya Awardi L. Ibomcha, President of Vovinam Association of Manipur Thaudam Imomacha, and members of the association attended the event.
Manipur lady angam kaisi nang sanaru sanari nang lai tiaro haibagi divide ama sanabaga lai kasi amna lamna na satbagi mawam makoi uribse ato play park sing the sanabaga education gasi integration si am hore adana school level the college level the university level the sanabaga lai kasi am tuna na san kal sports ki culture si koi competition yaw ba ke do ba si khakte ge na haksang phana ba ke do na baibagi Wakalon Chikaloina sports Ihogi Sembatan, Samazgi, the lady Bahosiki, drug Kioero, Haksang Patabiki, see problem may see. I'm sound not talking.
One-day yoga demonstration was organized by All Tentha Yoga Association under the aegis of Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital, Kongba today at Tentha Multiplex at Tentha, Kongbal. Dr. K. Basanta said yoga provides both physical and mental benefits. The main venue for the Youth Adventure Water Sports Festival to be hosted by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association during the Manipur Sangai Festival will be held at Kumbal Lampak Sports Complex. MMTA President Bijoy Kakching Tabum said preparations have been made for artificial bouldering, climbing, adventure quiz contest and adventure and ecotourism for school children during Manipur Sangai Festival, which is scheduled from November 21st to 30. He said the adventure sports aimed at creating awareness among the people about the present condition of the Loktak Lake. He appealed to people to take part in the festival.
Manipur Sarkar na siliba Manipur Sangai Festival da ekon hapsari ba Youth Adventure and Water Sport Festival sigi maru ba pandam di ekoina ekoigi leizari ba mahausa gi nature na piramba mahausa gi phajaba masong nature na piramba Loktak Path ki phajaba si miyam da uhanna bagi mapung ba pandam ni amasong trekking program asida yawbiduna ekoina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯅꯣ ꯌꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren reiterates his government commitment to achieve development in the state. Health Minister Jayant Kumar urges nurses to serve the patients with dedication and sacrifice. BJP Manipur Pradesh will observe Kaladhan Virodhi Divas from November 6 to 9 in all constituencies. And India win Women's Asia Cup hockey title, qualify for 2018 World Cup.